What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change the audio pitch in DaVinci Resolve using the inspector panel. This is a quick and easy way to adjust voice tone or fix audio without leaving your timeline. If your project is already open and your clips are in the timeline, you can skip straight to the pitch adjustment part. First, launch DaVinci Resolve and open the project you want to work on. Just select your project and click Open. Once your project is loaded, go to the timeline and click on the audio clip you want to change so it's selected. Now head over to the inspector panel, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Inside the inspector, look for the option labeled Pitch. Here, you can adjust the pitch using two controls. The semitone slider makes bigger, more noticeable changes to the audio, while the cent slider lets you fine-tune the pitch with smaller, more precise adjustments. Move the sliders until the audio sounds right to you, and that's it. The pitch change is applied instantly. And that's how you change audio pitch in DaVinci Resolve using the inspector. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.